On July 27, Dashrath Kolai, a resident of the Baishya Mani area under Ompi Nagar, was brutally murdered following allegations of practicing black magic. Following an investigation, the Ompi police arrested 3 individuals in connection with the crime. The police subsequently produced the suspects before the district court, seeking police remand for further interrogation. At a time when the state is driving toward technological development and AI advancement, a grave incident of superstition has surfaced from Ompi Nagar. Dashrath Kolai, a resident of the Baishya Mani area, was brutally murdered following allegations of practicing black magic. Upon receiving the report, Ompi police alongside forensic and dog squad teams rushed to the crime scene to initiate an investigation. Police subsequently arrested 3 individuals in connection with the murder. The suspects are said to be produced before the court, with police seeking remand to interrogate them further and identify any additional accomplices involved in the crime.
Murder case then different body plan rules of now observe Simon Tanai Satai July company personally power Kaisa murder of Manaka over Pananka from Saranota Tekes Saragosta Soman over Panawa Masa Dosor Koloi Nano Chuchulis Boson Masa Boromno Poison Milui Jadu Monto Chimiko Borote Sikal Makai Omahan Usibuni Tantari Butari Omani Forward Mamani Logeloge Simipuris Aro Spoto Logelogeno for Tanka Tangai for Time Dino Chini District near facility by dog squad of Nuku Bridge scientifically exam Nainani Omar Musim Zoto you visit Thailand. Zoto Mono Naka. Naive Korean Hanke, investigation of some Sakir no Koita or Simba Korean Simon or Poison Jurito. And then all Zorito of Muslim immediately arrest and knowledge of Chaitoka, Hamo Henderson. The historical Masa, the all the Tamaza, the minus and arrest arrest cabbage in Mono, Koto, Roy Kore Bono, interrogation Kaifu, Tai Woman, the Logage, Baksa, Tai Logay, Homer of Modusun, Manka, and Yamo I cannot soon, but in Tai Duzon, no, which arrest like a Tinkarita, at the Bono Tabu, Koto forward cabbage, interrogation, and I'm Tabu, Tai Sacha Kabuto, and Yamo investigation Tabu, under process, so Taibu. How many the Baruchin interesting fact man have written? No, I said
Sir, we Tabasuzora, Mohakino, Tabasuzora, Hawk from Londra. Alukurok the Bishiti, Naimataro, Shako, Oxil Jamu, Tini, Bataria of Mobahino, Habanogo, Naimatan, Habanogo hiking. Over only Tami Bagitu.
Omo actually, Johan Kaisa murder no. Omo murder photos in PU visit like a evidence Jotu Parach in collect finance in test at him. Jodi say evidence like it's enough evidence my young witness Buzum that a Saki in the witness in Buzum primary or the examine time. We have all witness in examination by so prime witness from Zeta Common examination by so accused Zeta Koila Zeronzamai Bono Busu Roma. The Rombai for a Bino Bono interrogation Kabe for it. Bini the crime scene not in the Tangi executive magistrate not the Tangi visit Kai, but the Bono interrogate Kai. Omoni evidence minus one, Baki accused no Rome. In there, Zodi Saboro innocence and Hanget upon investigation of Kano. In there, Zodi Saboro accused Homo Dusi Tonka, Homo Court from trial of Homo from the Tabuk investigation. So let us say, I would put up in Borok, Ecusia, Minoma, Kabu, in Taupano, Saneto, such a moment investigation on it. Sorry, and also put the chassis before this innocent of
Sarvike, Jung Bishing Kokman, Bishing Tikaraka, Dino, Koropcha Borokno, Rome to take a Tiristaric Chalmari Joro. Abun Yakulo, they wish a type Horokne to be taken. Afro Yashi Shulai, Nunchi Butar, Nunchi Butar, यासि सुरलायो ओ नायमाथा हाबा नगो नबरक वालायनाय दं माने अबरकल बुसुजराति कबु
omo hai kuno kopya kintu borok omo ba nini যখন kaisa omo hai gotona kotormo ngana ke যতন সাইমন যে accused to baksa to admit layo je angkru baksa ke ba kisa মানে omo hai gotona bai মানে খাইখান se খাইয়ানি omo hai natural se kaisa borok ni kaisa tendency ta omo investigation sai sabo মানে omo exact gotona tongka mara apatot to bom no against to evidence thanto statement thanto ngai je accused nije no bo borok saino to mangka ba chini oro bu scientifically proof ainani chung chai tong nai omo no chung law charge sheet report chung no kaisa chung to bo sai ka
sar te kaisa sungo je last khoroksa romjaknai bini nokkungo bini buma je samani kai bobaino nogo bini chamari thui tongmani hisau tatai je puila je manik romjakmani bini bihik loge sobahaino saw bobaino thui tongman chongke tamo borokni nokkunni borok busujate tubi sakana norokni investigation tongmungno borok soisoino borok o thui tana borokni yak tong hingke ba norok romi tongman nogo busujate bomuti he borok nole norok bomti he sahorna musung tabo
kaisa murder case o kaisa mane accused no जों romani जों jeta evidence basis na जों rom police kuno bino mane without evidence kuno ka evidence kuno ma ke hai na जों salam public je kompetang tongnai no ma ji kai jodi se bom ni omo bom ni je buma ma bum hi statement diban omo correct thake ba investigation hai ba number to jeta investigation ma ka ro ko bom ke ji omo investigation pai ka ni se jura ni omo buma ma hi statement correct hai
satai kaisa paithago sumo je manik bo puila saka ano buthai ratu tuino kok sungoi mane bui angma go se kami sauta ge obokai busu jatu bini kok kubuyong mano
police tabuk no bujo to saina police thana go ke buno nangka ke buno tabuk age ni mane age jeta sun nai sama ke no mane bujar ma tok jar ke ge tripura police to sun sama ya tabuk go police station no CCTV surveillance as per Supreme Court guidelines follow for scientific evidence writing as well as mane normal interrogation of kuno governor physical torture of investigation pai ka ke omo mane charge to season no time the police ki got the but apatot based on present investigation tabu bolai early stage no business
sir a jaga o jeng saimon ka forensic team phaimani engke fingerprints rok abo tabu jatui sabuni report da phaika
ni जों FSL team visit खाइथरो जों जे अरो नि जेता FSL रो हनान बारे जेता साइंटिफिक एविडेंस कालेक्ट केले अब FSL रो होजा जों मो रिपोर्ट मा खान के मा बचन FSL team
tamoni bagai buthau jakhana bo jarao bini nogo kuno rang puisa rokni bagai deba bomti heni bai buthau jakhana
काबो इन्वेस्टिगेशन को अर्ली स्टेज जे जों साइना ना जरा नागे बो तो उजा है बा सेका दरो माय माय नदरो नकिसा सेंजा को माय एलिगेशन कारो एक्यूज ऑफ मी को परिजारो माय साम साम मानजा ना माय एलिगेशन बागे बो माय बतना ताम जरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन बा इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट करने fully no
tai salbusuk rok nangno o case plus ongmani haike ba o je buthanai rok srai srai singjangmani tai obo busuk ratei sogui no borok neo bobo rider ogo borok no tabuk ratei rijak marok ko section rok
section ka ke जों murder ni section ka oro jetai ni loge je kom tai accuse korna mo ni murder ni section ni
buthar mani weapons rok to damang kata bu rok
Bukan ni weapons se mo recover kaine ini khana missing mo recover kaine ni executive magistrate order sada
Such regressive actions and deep-seated hostility continue to hold the local community back, fostering division and discouraging social and economic progress. Rather than driving collective development, the prevalence of superstition and mutual distrust hinders the area's overall growth and modernization. Reported by Seth Moy from Ompi, Chini Khorang.